Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Minecraft on PC for free. Let's start. Firstly, open up any browser and head to google.com. Once there, search for Minecraft download. Be cautious of the website you visit and ensure you click on the official Minecraft website, which is this. On the official website, navigate to Download Minecraft and Server Software section. Here, you'll find various download options for different platforms. Scroll down to find the option for Windows 10 or 11. Click on it to initiate the download process. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, locate the download file. Usually it's in your Downloads folder. And double-click to start the installation process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's it, you now have Minecraft installed on your PC. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.